back to my vegan channel. We're totally cash today because we just want a little dessert. Sometimes you just want a little something something. And we're gonna do a mug cake today.
Woo!
We've never done this before. I just came up, I adapted this recipe for vegan. It's got some interesting things in it. We're starting off with a tablespoon of peanut butter in each of the mugs. I think what we should probably do is mix the wet ingredients together first and then add the dry ingredients, and then we're gonna microwave it. I know! If you don't want to put it in the microwave, you can get a oven safe mug or just put it in a little ramekin in the oven for 14 minutes at 350. But we're gonna do ours in the microwave.
Can we just take a second to appreciate this beautiful mug selection?
Yes, we have Kiss Me Under the Light of 1,000 Stars, also known as Dalanai. And we have a beautiful I Love New York. It's
Beautiful.
a great vacation. We live in vacation land, New York. All right. Second wet ingredient is going to be 3 tablespoons of almond milk. I'm actually measuring today. Are you proud of me?
I'm really proud.
1, 2, 3. We're making 2 of these, so I don't think Sean's gonna have this. I think we're just gonna give him some ice cream.
Okay.
Kind of just because I don't want to do a third one. Is that wrong?
No.
Okay. Also, we're going to add a half teaspoon of vanilla to each one. So just like Yep,
I thought you said you were gonna measure everything.
I did.
Uh-huh.
Alright, it might take a little bit to get the peanut butter mixed up. The original recipe called for oil, and I'm not about that oil life, so I just want to do the peanut butter. Actually, it's not that bad. Not that bad. You know what might help that mix up better? If we put the chocolate chips in now, because that would be like, you know what I mean?
Sure.
So we're just doing like whatever chocolate chips. I mean, these are vegan, but I mean the amount, whatever you feel like. We're not measuring this at all, and it's not going to be measured in the recipe. So it's whatever you want. You don't have to put it in. You can leave it out. Yeah, that definitely helps mix it up a lot easier. So that's all the wet ingredients. Now we're going to need 3 tablespoons of flour. We're just using everyone's flour. You know, it's not like gluten-free or anything, or although, you know, if this turns out good, maybe we can
adapt it.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see.
All right.
We'll see if it's worthy.
Yeah. So that's 2 and 2. That's wet. I can't use that one. That's a half. I love this 2 tablespoon scoop. It's like life. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of cacao. And look, there's a 2 tablespoon scoop in there already.
Wow.
That lives in there. It said, I want to move in with cacao. So we said, okay, you can stay there. We've got our coconut sugar, of course, and we're going to do 2 tablespoons of that. And then the last ingredient, well, it's 2 more ingredients. A 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. I'm gonna give you such a pinch. There you go. Alright, I'm just gonna guesstimate a 1/4 of a teaspoon.
So much for measuring.
Oh well, that went out the window, didn't it?
Yeah, it did.
Yeah. Now we're going to final mix these. I guess you just gotta mix these until it's like all combined, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like that's probably pretty good. What's the best part of vegan baking?
Licking all the stuff.
Yeah, because there's nothing in there. One for you, one for me.
Very quiet.
Okay. We're gonna go over to the microwave now. We're gonna do 40 seconds. Whoops. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, look at that.
Fluffy.
We learned something important though. This has metal on it.
Don't ruin my mug!
Did this one say microwave safe? I can't see without my glasses.
Nope.
What?
It just says dishwasher safe, no mention of microwave.
Alright, well let's try this one.
Wait, let me look. On the bottom.
There's no sparkly
Microwave
stuff.
safe.
Okay. Make sure you check if your cup is microwave safe.
It's time for the Ed Sheeran mug cake.
Dalanai.
Woo! This feels really hot, but look how fluffy it is.
Yeah.
Ow! Bring my computer, but it's fine.
Hazards.
Look at that.
Yeah, right?
Definitely has the cakey texture.
Yes.
Okay. I'm scared that I'm gonna burn myself.
We're gonna have a dollop of ice cream on it, but I wanted you to taste it just with the plain. Is that because it's hot or delicious or both?
Because it's delicious! Hold on, I feel like I have crap on my teeth.
Let's see. Nope.
Okay, that
Crap
is
free.
so freaking good.
Really?
You need to try it.
Whoa.
Right? It's so like squishy
Brownie-ish.
and like full.
Mmm.
I can't.
Really chocolate.
But then like there's the chips that you put in there that like smoothen it out. It's like you're eating a pillow but not like gross. Like it's a good, you want to eat this pillow.
Whoa. You don't even need ice cream on that. Wow.
Insane.
I'm impressed.
Good job.
So guys, if you're looking for a quick little dessert, I mean that was literally under a minute. That was 40
Quick
seconds.
and dirty.
Yeah. So I hope you give it a try if you want a little treat. I hope Veganuary is going great for you. You're doing a great job. If you fall off the wagon, just get right back up on that wagon. We're waiting for you. So give it a thumbs up if you like mug cake. If you try it, let us know. Subscribe for more Veganuary videos, and until next time, much love.